And in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to upload photo to Google Photos. So in order to upload photos to Google Photo, you just have to follow these simple steps. Now if you already have a Google Photo app installed on your device, then you do not need to do any of these. But then if you don't have a Google Photo account, or if you don't have an application, then you can do this procedure. Open up a browser, type in photos.google.com. So when you're on this page, right over here you can see this upward arrow icon in the top right. Press that and click, and then you could go ahead and select the device from where you're actually uploading. So select phone maybe, and then you could go to camera, or maybe you could go ahead and upload it from any of these. Let's say I'm gonna go and upload this one. So when I've actually uploaded one, click the OK button, and then next thing you just have to go ahead and clear all this settings and all that, and with that you'll have successfully added photos in Google Photo. That's all for this video. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.